with a Carlos De La Cruz homer. First pitch to Casey Martin is over for a called strike. Nothing, deals an 0-1. Breaking ball in there for a strike. Side armor deals an 0-2. Swinging a pop-up down the right, deals an 0-2. Martin swings and misses for strike 3. So it's another big strikeout for Danny Watson, his 51st of the year.
It goes to show the bullpen depth of the Yankees.
And the first pitch to Cody Roberts is over for a called strike. Nothing, as his 0-1 pitch is swung on and missed. It's 0-2 as a reliever. The 0-2. Check swing and a miss, it looked like, and that is confirmed by Mitch Tresiak down at first. Strike 3. 1. Rojas fouls it back. Nothing in 1-2. And Rojas loops it in the air out of play. Now the 1-2. And Rojas swings and misses for strike 3. It's foul tip into the mid of Wells. 2 outs in the inning and out 2. Baron Radcliffe digs in now and takes the first pitch, shaving the inside corner. Here's the 1-1. And Radcliffe takes a strike at the knees. He deals a 1-2. And Radcliffe swings and misses, held by Austin Wells for strike 3. Side retired.